Hi, hello and welcome to Ceylon Food Court. Today we are going to make a Melagu Rasam, known as the pepperrasam. Now this pepperrasam is a very healthy dish, especially when you catch cold and cough, or even you can drink this daily for your easy digestion, which is originated from the South Indians. Guys, if you are still not with the Ceylon Food Court family, please do subscribe, like and click on the bell icon. The first thing that you have to do is take some few turmeric and put it in warm water and mix it up very well with your hand and keep it for about 20 minutes time. That is that. And then you will need, for the first step, put your coriander, dry red chili and the garlic cloves and few curry leaves, cumin seed and pepper powder into the blender and blend it up into not a paste but this kind of flakes. And now guys, for the second step, the turmeric, the flakes that you have blended, the mixed flakes, and we have turmeric powder, salt, and we have 2 tomatoes. If it is a big tomato, you can take only one. Just squeeze the tomato and break it into pieces with your bare hand, guys. Do not cut it with your bare hand. Put it into the turmeric and the mixture that we have already blended into the same turmeric, and also the turmeric powder and the required amount of salt into the same mixture. And guys, just mix it up with a spoon or a fork and keep mixing it, guys, for about few minutes time until you get this kind of a mixture. It must be well mixed. This is the mixture that you need. And for the third step, you need curry leaves, dry red chili, the mixture that we have already done, pepper powder, mustard seed and cumin powder. The mustard seed, cumin powder and the pepper powder goes into the oil. A little bit of oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons would do. And then comes the curry leaf and the dry red chili. Mix it well for a while. And then after about a minute or two, you put your entire mixture, the mixed mixture that you have already done, to that very pan. Give it a good stir and pour some water. A cup or 2 would do. Give it a very good stir. And the crucial point, guys, please do remember, you should not boil it up to its boiling point. When you see small bubbles are raising up, when it is about to boil, you switch off your gas and then you add some coriander to it and mix it up very well. There you go. It is ready to serve and enjoy with your family. Thank you very much and see you in another video.